O Medina, heart of mercy, city of the messenger, where the palm whispers salam and the winds carry dood. Every road remembers his footsteps, every stone knows his name. Here my eyes fill with longing, here my soul finds peace again. Ya Medina, city of light, where the Ummah pours its tears, where forgiveness feels so near. Salam upon the blessed city, salam upon his sacred land, salam upon the one who came with mercy, mercy for every woman and man. Ya Medina, I long for you, may Allah direct my steps to you, and may my heart never forget the scent of peace I found in you. Ya Medina, city of light, where the Ummah pours its tears, where forgiveness feels so near.